Number 1. DATANORY Salesforce Automation Solutions. To streamline the workforce and sales operations, to improve manufacturing and distribution efficiency. This solutions equips field sales teams with real-time access to product, pricing, stock, and customer information for faster, more accurate order capture, while enabling efficient route planning with GPS-verified tracking to facilitate sales visit check-in, complete stock checks, order placement, and payment collection even in offline environments. DATANORY SFA also automates complex pricing and promotion rules to ensure consistent execution across all outlets, thereby helping FMCG brand owners to eliminate manual order errors, reduce cost and shipping delays, while also providing real-time visibility into daily sales performance, improving overall productivity, and ultimately enhancing sales efficiency across manufacturing and distribution channels.